iPhone 17 Pro Max tipped to pack 48MP telephoto lens. In an immensely advanced era where no sort of technology or device escapes the watchful eye of sneak peekers, the gaze of an industry analyst has turned to the class-leading, high-end smartphone from Apple, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Although the iPhone 17 series isn't going to be released any earlier than 2025, Jeff Pu, the industry analyst, has hinted at the potential camera overhaul with the game-changing device, suggesting a 48MP telephoto lens with the Pro Max variant of the series. The analyst oversees the coverage of developments taking place around the component manufacturers of Apple's supply chain. Jeff Pu didn't delve into the nitty-gritty of the lens. However, he anticipates its support for Apple's Vision Pro headset. The latest rumor adds to the talk we've heard before about the iPhone 16 Pro having a 48MP ultra-wide camera. Now, as per the prolific spectators and credible analysts in the industry, the iPhone 17 Pro Max might have a whole rear camera setup entirely composed of 48MP lenses. This is exciting because more megapixels mean photos with more details, which is great for zooming in, cropping, and printing big pictures. Having more pixels could also lead to better quality videos, especially for something called Vision Pro. Meanwhile, the so far top-of-the-line Pro models of the iPhone 15 series have featured a 48MP primary lens with their camera setups, alongside a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 12MP telephoto lens. The iOS 17.2 update on iPhone 15's Pro models has enhanced them to relish the capability to record spatial videos with 3D depth, tailored for playback on the Vision Pro. The primary and ultra-wide lenses collaboratively capture depth when the device is recording in the landscape mode. Considering that a span of 2 years stands between the rumor and the actual release of the device, the rumor might remain a rumor, as Apple might plan something different within a span of time this big.